all this carbon buildup on the injector body. This usually happens when the injector copper washer leaks, allowing combustion gases to escape and create heavy carbon deposits. When this happens, the engine loses power, smoke more, and run rough.